Police in Lusaka have today arrested 25 suspected junkies in Lusaka.
Kuli abo abashishibe ilili ashiri amajanki. Bajanki ni bani? Bajanki ni besa. Ni bani baleitwa abaleitwa okutira ni bajanki muno mukyalo kya Zambia. Bajanki bana besu futi nindume shesu futi bafyashi besu abalekita indawo gire musebuzi muri drug abuse, meaning bali ba addicted nefyamba kupepa sana nefyamba jinja amaganja amachizi ifintu vyalekanaleka they abuse drugs. So through that now they have become like a center of attention, the center of negative attention actually, because they have no regard to humanity. These people, they can kill someone instantly, so ma seconds kwa bulu kwata pono ruse kwa bano kumfura ko nenkumbo. They can steal from you repita from ine na uchura no buchushi bobe bakwibira bakuma bakusta attack ema junkie. It started in Lusaka. Now it starts spread almost the whole Zambia. We have junkies now in the whole Zambia. So issue yabu junkie ngatwailokesha bwino sana. Me as Chitondo the African, I always say about these things. If you ndanda pano tema politics, shakota interest ya campaign, shakota interest ya kwa bati votere nyuwe. When I talk about good governance, when I talk about good policies, when I talk about fairness among ourselves, this is exactly what I talk about. This is what I try by all means to prevent from happening. Ama negative outcomes in society. Eyo mbombera po ine. Professionally, to those of you who are not aware, I am a psychosocial counselor. I am an health and safety practitioner. Meaning I am an health and safety officer. So my profession always tells me that you shouldn't focus more focus more about each contribute the root cause of the problem. That's what we always talks about, what we always concentrate on. So that when we look at the root cause of the problem that we are facing today, either in a company, either in an organization, in mines, even in a country, when we find the root cause of the problem, we will eliminate that root cause. And once we eliminate the root cause of the problem, then to achieve negative future occurrence of the same negative happening, when I talk like a street boy, Muransika, a chapa street feature. When I talk like a political person, you munja the feature. Now, since morning, ama names mwampera yengi sana, pano bantu aba mpera names, ama negative abantu kensere bengi sana. When I address some issues that affect abana Zambia, banandi, amendume shandishonse. The issue of junkies in Zambia, I am here to tell you that bonso kwambia fikuli government nama civic leaders ama church leaders eba chita contribute kuli ya issue ya junkies mu Zambia, rampant ya increment ya junkies mu Zambia. Ama NGOs, they have contributed also. What do I mean? When we look at the issue of empowering a girl child, starting from kuli ababa aliko, yofwe baliko, although I was very young, tuambie na Millennium Development Goals. When foreign NGOs were coming, we started with Millennium Development Goals. You empower a girl child. If you empower a girl child, you empower the whole country. If you educate the girl child, you educate the whole country. If you empower a girl child, you empower everyone. When those NGOs came, the government welcomed, and we started, even the church leaders welcomed it, and we participated each and every individual, starting from the parents, the church leaders, and the political leaders. We participated and we contributed because it was a good thing. Because if we empower a girl child, it is a good thing. Women and girls need to go to school and get employed, become educated, participate in civic leadership, get employed, work in each and every institution. It is a good thing because kunumo kwimi akasha fumako bana mayo baleba chenchinchira baleba chinga in fact. So lo chayishire chalisa bange chaya no kuchipuga no kuchisanani. Forgetting that when we started promoting during Millennium Development Goals, when we started empowering girls, we neglected the boy child. yonse empowerment ya sapa ma school balebika po bana kashina baba foreshen sapato efya kufuala ama buku shani bala sambira bwangu balabika pa mabazari. If you go mu colleges today we are going to find abana kashabe ngeba sambira eba lesambira mu munchanchi to ama company bana kashi. Empowering a girl child is a good move, but it shouldn't be at the expense of a boy child. If you understand fairness among ourselves, we need to be fair. When we are coming up with policies, we need to make sure that these policies we are coming with, or this initiative we are putting out in the society, is well balanced and it is fair, because we are trying to create or to make a society that is equal, a society that is productive, both male and female. Listen, a girl child has been empowered now. The same girl child we focus on during before and after Millennium Development Goals. Even though it was a failed project, but yes, we managed to empower a lot of young girls, which today, if we talk about it, those young girls, they are women. These are the same women that are in institutions aya abare bombesha nchito niba teacher niba kafundisha niba nurse niba doctor niba mama business women. So when we neglected a boy child, abana mayo bakulire lero balaba ali ama girl child, then lero mbana mayo abalefu ayikokwata aba umya bakubopa. A boy child was neglected. Twalimulekeresha. Today is a junkie who is going to marry a responsible woman, nangulo woman who empowered lero. No one, because we have created a society that has got more junkies, more especially junkies aba umebeka beka. If you understand, when we come up with something, initiative, ama innovative, they need to be fair, they need to be equal. Inequality, ili mchalo ila bweshe chalo kumuma. I repeat, it is important to empower a girl child, but empowering a girl child shouldn't be at the expense of a boy child. Listen, ba Stumbeko Musokotwani, ba Felix Mutati, ba Jackie Mwimbu, ba Nalumango, na bonsaba alikuwa bakote bonsaba limnumisamba ya chalo ba kaunda bonse bana na ba bonse bana mayo bonsaba kote bonse na bashitata bonse muno. Listen, if we were Zambian youth, we were not there. Elo imomwe ba Jackie Mwimbu na ba Felix Mutati ba Stumbeko Musokotwane mwenko tetration seve mwenko tetration seve olo mware chitane direct bana mayo na ngulo mware chinga bana mayo kusangwa mfifulo. We the young Zambian men and boys, we were not there. So we are not ready to suffer the consequences of the negative actions you carried out many years ago. Because today, we the young boys, we the young men are the ones paying for it. Because we want to empower a girl child, which you, your fellow girl child, you neglected then. Millennium Development Goals failed. Millennium Development Goals, and we later on change to Sustainable Development Goals. It also focused, up to now, it has been focusing on empowering a girl child, neglecting a boy child out there. Now once na tufyala abana natukwatana abana abalumendo umwe among us mwe bonse mwe bali panoma yatambana hivi nani akomfwa bwino kwa tumwana wo afyero mu lumendo akesesa mukajanki, because ninkwatana umwana omwana kashulingiro kuba empowered. Empowerment should be equal among these two people, a boy and a girl, because an equal society, a society iba function nangula iba formed when we have a productive male child and also when we have a productive girl child. It is very important. Let us think the root cause of more junkies in this country is because a male child has been neglected. Let us focus more on empowering a boy child also, or let us empower them equally, so that we can have a productive society. We can have a productive Zambia, because productivity comes both sides, a male side and the female side. Ama junkies ya fula all over the country now. Tuwala kuisa abana beso abana babalumendo barafika kuisa mwe bana bakwalesa. Zambia as a Christian nation. Let's deal with this issue. Abana abalumendo bachiteni empower sana kaide ebesa mukupa abana benu. Mwebo mpimule mpia na pakupeshi mpia shachisungu balumendo. Ngatabali empowered bala abama junkie yofina, because they have got nothing to offer in the society. Tag ba president akande chinama no sonse ntungulu chimunani nabana lumango bonse. Tag everyone ama ministers. Let us look at the root cause of the junkies in country. Junkies inani